Oh, just off the end of Mardi Gras, who doesn't love Cajun cooking? It is hard to find good, authentic fare. Well, have you been to Gulf Shores Restaurant? I actually have. I love the place. Harry Parker is here this morning to tell us all about it. Good morning to you.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm very well, and I'm even better looking at the spread you brought with you. But right off the bat, instead of talking about the food, can we focus on the dessert?
Oh, the dessert's good. Of course, there's a banana pudding cheesecake. There's my grandmother's key lime pie.
I like your grandma.
And of course, there is chocolate pecan pie. Can't get any better than that, right?
And the whipped cream just adds something extra.
Yeah, it makes you want to just grab it, right?
That's what I'm going to do right
now.
There you go. Saving that for later. So for anyone who has not been to Gulf Shores yet, where are you located and what types of food do you offer?
2 locations, one in Creve Coeur on Olive Boulevard, one in Edwardsville on Harvard Boulevard, and we do what we call seafood with a Cajun flair.
Okay.
And that Cajun flair means that we blend all of our spices. We make all of our salad dressings. We make all of our desserts, family recipes. I took what Granny and my dad and so forth did and decided, hey, why not? So we created Gulf Shores Restaurant and Grill off those recipes.
I'm so glad you're here on the first Friday of Lent too, because I have a feeling people are probably looking for somewhere to go. This is the perfect place. And you guys have healthy choices too.
We do. Our fish, the thing about our restaurant is that when you order seafood, you can order it the way you like. It doesn't have to be fried. You can have it baked, charbroiled, any way you want it, and we don't charge extra for doing that. We saute everything in a 0 cholesterol butter alternative. And as I said before, we make our own sauces and spices for 2 reasons. One, we use low salt, and secondly, there's no preservatives. So we offer a healthier choice for that way.
And I want to bring in this amazing dish. What is going on over here?
This is called the kitchen sink. This is everything you ever wanted in seafood, and it's all there. It's crawfish, it's crab legs, it's clams, it's corn boiled on the cob, mussels. It's a kitchen sink because it's all there. Very popular meal at Gulf Shores Restaurant Grill.
And with it being a Friday, sometimes you want to have a little fun. I understand you have drink specials.
We do. We have a $3 drink special every day.
Oh.
And the reason for that is because in New Orleans, you don't have a happy hour. You have a happy day. So we present our $3 drink special all day long, every day.
I knew I liked you.
You did it.
And if you guys have not been to a Gulf Shores restaurant, the decor inside is awesome.
The total New Orleans dining experience, from SEC football to Mardi Gras flags to live music. We wanted to do it all. We wanted you to get the total New Orleans feel in one spot. That's why we do it that way.
You do a good job. You will find Gulf Shores in both Creve Coeur and in Edwardsville. In Creve Coeur, call 314-878-3306. In Edwardsville, call 618-650-9109 or look them up on the web at gulfshoresrestaurantandgrill.com. And stick around after Great Day. We are continuing this conversation with Harry in the Bommarito Digital Studio on Great Day Extra Live. That should get underway on our Facebook page at 10:15. Matt and Ken.
Harry, don't ever leave. This place. Don't leave this building ever.
Can you move
Just stay
in?
here.
The man is
My wife wouldn't like that.
Oh, darn it!
Set you up in the kitchen. We'll work on that too.
He's a chef and a life coach. That's what I've learned about Harry in the last 10 minutes. Thank you guys very much.
Happy day drink special.
Yeah.